Oh my goodness, guys. Walking is not easy. Yeah, I'm just making like this one is another video entirely itself. It's not about the product. Oh my goodness. So we're actually at a market that we're selling, and I've been filming since I filmed video for the company. I filmed my own personal video. And now I just want to talk to you guys. I've missed you guys. It's been a while I've talked to the camera, and guys, it's been awesome so far, and it's been busy. Like literally I've been so busy. Like most time I get home like I get home very very late, and I just can't do anything. And yeah, I have less time to scroll. I think that's a good thing. I think that's a very great achievement, because when I was at home I was spending a lot of time scrolling my phone, but I hardly have time to scroll now. When I get home, if I say I just want to watch a movie or even scroll a bit, before you know I'm sleeping off. So I I feel like that's something. So if you feel like you're scrolling too much on the internet, get busy. When you're busy, you will not even have time to even touch your phone or even scroll. I haven't even eaten today like this. My food, I bought food when we were coming and I left it in the car, but I've not been able to eat. What am I talking? Oh my goodness. I'm talking like I'm presenting. I'm still in the presenting mood when I'm just talking to you guys. So I need to calm down, come out of the presentation mood. Oh my goodness. Anyway, guys, the sun is crazy. My skin that I've been spending money to even take care of. I'm sure at the end of today I'll be two shade darker with this Nigerian sun. But what are we going to do is business. Guys, I need to share something with you that I'm so happy about. Can you realize that? Can you? I'm trying to come out of presentation mood, but it's not coming out. Oh my goodness. Hey God, not me thinking I can talk in public, but I'm actually present. But what I'm about to say, the good news is that, guys, I made a sales. Can I hear hello? can I hear? Can I hear a clap? Guys, I made a sales with less than 14 days working here. Like I started last week, and even the last week, we had, I think, 2 days break in that last week. So, and I made my sales yesterday. So we would literally say 5 days, 5 working days, I made a sales. I'm happy about it, although the customer has not fully paid, but I was able to let the customer make a payment because he actually wants to come and check the place. But like I'm like, he doesn't have time. We're supposed to come for inspection on Friday, but he didn't have time. He was not able to make it. So I just try and convince him to just at least, you know what, make a deposit first, so that you know that you are interested in this thing. Then anytime you have time, you can come for the inspection. And he was able to make it. So now I'm expecting him to call for inspection anytime soon, and he can make the full payment. Yeah. So that's something, at least a little money to pay up my debt and do some things. The first thing I'm going to do, guys, I'm not even lying, I need to get my mom a bed. Her bed is really really bad, and she has been complaining about it. It's giving her back pain. She has even stopped sleeping on it. She need People are saying she needs to get orthopedic, ignore my nails. People are saying she needs to get orthopedic bed, and guys, it's expensive. The one she saw at my cousin's place, I think she said is like 250. I'm going to surprise her with it. That's the money I made from the sale. That's what I'm going to do. First of all, of course, I already ordered I ordered two hair, but it's not, the hair is not expensive. I just know that that's one thing, because she has been complaining about it since last year, and she has been sleeping on the floor because the bed is really really giving her back pain. So I'm just like, I don't have that money yet, but I just have to do it, because at the end of the day I need her to be here for me a long time. When I'm making it, I need her to be here to rejoice with me. I need her to be here on my wedding day. I need her to be here when I'm opening my house, when I'm doing many things. So I don't want to lose her now. So yeah, I'm going to get that and use it to surprise her. I can't wait to see her reaction. She'll be so happy because she cannot believe it. She, even this morning, she still talk about it, that we need to really get that bed. We need to get that bed, because that's what will help. But anyway, so yeah, I'm so happy about that. Even if it's just for that, I know more sales will come. Obviously, I know more sales will come in Jesus' name, because yeah, I know more sales will come. I believe, because I believe it's going to happen. I believe it's going to happen, and it will happen. So yeah. Anyway, so that was what I came here to update you guys. I'll catch you guys the next time I can catch you guys. This video, I might end it here, or I might continue it another time. This one is crazy. See you. Bye. As a new 9 to 5 worker, you think weekends are actually for, rest. But it's not for rest, actually. No, like it reminds me why I have an hate and love relationship with 9 to 5. Today is Saturday, and it's currently, what's my other phone? What's the time? Let me check the time. and it's currently 9:44. That means it's a bit late. I would have really loved to still be in my bed, sleeping and scrolling, but I can't. There's just a lot to do, like so much to do. Like I need to do my laundry. I need to do my laundry because I need to get my nails done today. And I can't do laundry next week because if I get my nails done today, the nails will still be new by next weekend, and I probably won't be able to use it to wash. So I need to wash all the, all the dresses and clothes I wore for the week. I need to wash them today. I need to also wash my work bag because the inside is literally very dirty. I'm not even joking. Like there's just a whole lot of dirt there. So I need to wash the inside. My room is a mess. Like over the week, rushing to do this and do that every day. The whole house is a mess. The whole room is a mess. So I need to clean that. Not only that, I need to get my hair done. But thank God I'm not doing anything serious. I'm just weaving it. I'll probably weave it in shuku or all back. But I'm weaving it, and yeah, I need to. God, there's just a whole lot of things to get. I wrote some things down that I need to get today. Actually, let me even start from the moment I woke up. I woke up feeling very sore, feeling very sore and having a whole lot of body pain. And I knew that wasn't just from exhaustion because yes, I was exhausted, I was tired, but I knew that my body pain wasn't just from exhaustion because over the week I went to a friend's party. We had, company hangout and all of that. So I took a whole lot of junk, a whole lot of sugary stuff. So I knew that my body pain wasn't just exhaustion. It was from all the sugary stuff and junks that I had. So I told my mom this morning, I asked if she can squeeze water leaf and scent leaf and all those leaves for me so that I can just drink. I was like, oh my God, bring it on. So I took that. It was actually a lot. I took it very bitter, but I was able to take a fat dump like a few minutes after, and I feel lighter now. I feel the body pain has receded. It's time to get up and get to things. So like I said, I need to do my laundry. After that, clean the room, and then after that, I'm out because I need to go to the market. I need to get a gown. I need to get a gown, a work gown, maybe just one, sandals, and yeah, I need to. What else do I need to get? I need to get my skincare. All my skincare, my face cream, my body cream, my face soap, my body soap, my scrub. Everything is actually finished, so I need to get that. That will be when I'm coming back. Not only that, I need to get this dress fixed. The zip is bad, so I need to get it fixed also. This same today. I need to get my lashes done. And that one now, that's the one that I don't even know if I will do today because it takes, lash extension, it takes a whole lot of time. 2 days is just too small. It's just too small. I wish there is one day between Saturday and Sunday. I wish we have like 3 weekends, 3 days weekend. I need to film actually. I need to film. Oh my goodness. I'm just remembering a lot of things. I need to review hair. Two hairs actually. I need to review two hairs. I need to I'm supposed to film a posting video. That one, I don't even know if I can ever get that done this weekend. But I'm thinking maybe I will be able to do it tomorrow. That can't be today. I can't film today because immediately I'm done with the cleaning and washing. I'm going out. I'm going out, and I'll probably not be back till night. I haven't eaten. I'll find something to eat on the way. But literally, that is the life of a 9 to 5 person. You work Monday to Fridays, you barely have time for yourself, and even on weekend, you barely have time to rest. But I guess it's better than being at home all day. I guess. I can't even scroll social media. Like I can't even scroll for like 2, 3 hours. This morning, while I was still in bed, I woke up late because I was actually editing a video. I edited a video, I uploaded a video, and I already scheduled another video that I'm going to be uploading in the afternoon. So tell me, I had like probably like 5 hours sleep. I'm done with round one. Done washing. Now I need to arrange the house. But my mom told me she was talking to her sister yesterday, and she likely have an interest in the shop we are selling. So I want to call her to close the deal. Wish me luck. Hello, mommy. Right? Fine, my Karama. She doesn't have money for it, and we don't have the offer we have for it is the offer we have for the place is 4 months. So can you pay for 4 months? She can't afford it, so I guess that's it. She like it but she can't afford it, and we can't do a longer plan. We can only do 4 month plan. So that's that. Guys, I'm done washing, I'm done cleaning the house. I did a rough cleaning, not like a deep cleaning, because I didn't actually dust and I didn't like mop the floor. I just arranged things and then put things in order and sweep and just do a little bit of cleaning so that at least it's presentable, it looks appealing to the eyes. But I'm done with that. I need to head out now. I need to get this fixed. This tripod is literally shaking like it's swinging. Don't let my phone fall, because I'll literally cry. Anyways, I am ready to head out. I'm done washing, I'm done cleaning, even though it wasn't a deep cleaning. But yeah, I made at least let the room look a bit presentable, look more appealing to the eyes. Yeah, so I literally have wounds from the washing of the clothes. Anyway, my hands are literally not meant for this laundry anymore. I guess that's me doing like I'm a rich babe. But anyway, I'll get there one day. I'll get there soon actually. But yes, so what am I looking for? Okay, so I'm ready to head out now. And guys, now I'm thinking about the money that I'm going to be spending. I have a budget of 100k. I don't want to exceed that. I really want to stick to that budget. But there's no but. I'm sticking to that budget. Anything that I have to do today has to be done in that 100k. Whichever one that is left out will be left out for another weekend. Not will be left out for maybe to the end of the month or something. Oh my god, guys, I want to sleep. I won't even lie. I want to get in that bed and sleep. But I'm not doing that. So let's go. I don't want it to be small. My head small.